In this video, we are going to show you how to set up Flic as a toggle switch for HomeKit. In this example, we have set up a living room with 2 Philips Hue lights and 1 Flic button. We also have 2 scenes, one that turns the lights off and one that turns them on. As you can see here, both living room light strips are added to the scene. Let's start by selecting the Flic button. Select either of the 3 action types. We will choose single press. Scroll to the bottom and select Convert to Shortcut. Delete the default action. Instead, we are going to select an if condition to create the toggle logic with. For input, select one of the accessories included in your scenes. We will select one of the light strips. For name, select is off. Now it should read if Hue light strip is off, and we now need to set an otherwise function. Press the plus button and add another function. This time we'll select Control My Home. And select the Living Room On scene. Drag it up to the if condition. We now have if Hue light strip is off, set living room on. Add another action. You guessed it, living room off. Drag it up to otherwise. And there we have it, our if condition is complete. Test the shortcut to make sure the toggle works as expected. And that's it. You can now use Flic to toggle your devices.